You just updated to iOS 27, but can't find the new Siri AI or Apple Intelligence features? Maybe it's showing "Try new Siri, join Waitlist," or the new Siri still hasn't appeared. Don't worry, here are the most common reasons why it's missing and how to get your new Siri AI working. First, make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS 27 beta version. Also, new Siri AI Intelligence only works on supported models, including iPhone 15 Pro and newer iPhone models. Now, go to Settings and open Siri. If you see "Try new Siri," go ahead and join the waitlist. After joining, Apple may take some time to activate the feature on your device. Next, open Settings. Go to General. Then, Language and Region. Make sure your iPhone language is set to English, United States. Then, go back to Siri Settings and make sure Siri language is also set to English, United States. If you're still seeing Joined Waitlist or the new Siri options aren't showing up yet, be patient. Apple's servers may still be enabling Apple Intelligence for your device. Finally, restart your iPhone. Press and release the Volume Up button. Press and release the Volume Down button. Then, press and hold the Side button until the Apple logo appears. After your iPhone turns back on, check Siri Settings again to see if the new Siri AI and Apple Intelligence features are available. And that's it. Enjoy the new Siri experience and Apple Intelligence features on your iPhone. Thanks for staying tuned with Fix369 till the end.